5 baby Python projects which you can definitely try to improve your Python knowledge. To learn computer language, programming projects is the best way to learn the language. So, number one, OTP verification. Whenever you want to log in an website, they send you an OTP, and every time it's different. You ever wonder how it's different from the other time every time? You can also generate random OTP every time through Python. This is the project, you can definitely check it out. Number second, guessing number. Let's say I am your friend, I guess number 50, and you have 5 tries to guess the exact number what I am guessing. Every time you have to try. If you guess correctly, I said yes, you win. That is the project. The project is simple. Computer will guess a random number, and you need to able to guess the right number through 5 attempts or 10 attempts. That's the project you definitely need to do to improve your skills. Number third is the Turtle project. Python has a great module called Turtle, and in your childhood you definitely, I think you probably know there is a story about turtle and a rabbit who comes first. You definitely do it out. So will be a turtle, there will be a rabbit, and this time they will randomly move forward, and after a certain time, one will be win. You can definitely try this project to improve your Python knowledge. Number 4, do you ever wonder that snake game? How to play snake, Nokia phone. How to play snake. Snake is moving and getting food. If you want to go a deep Python projects, so snake is a very good project to improve your knowledge, to test your ability. Are you able to learn Python exactly the way you want? And number 5 is coffee module project. So there is no module actually. It's a coffee machine. It's a coffee machine generated by computer, your programming language. So what's happened? You ask for a coffee, then they will check that is the material resources available for the coffee or not. If the resources is available, they will ask you to give the payment. If you give exact amount or more, they will give you a coffee. If you give less amount, they will say you do not pay exactly the amount and money refunded. If the resource is not available, they will say resource is out of resources and the coffee machine is be off. There is a deep project, and if you want to get every codes of these projects, I already did it. You can find it at my GitHub link, which is in the link in description. You definitely need to check it out if you want to find the codes. And if you want to help me and like this video, so subscribing this channel would be a great way to helping me help your brother. Thank you for watching.